What's up, YouTube fam? I'm back. Look, hey, we got a remodel of an oldie but goodie. Hey, look, so this is the ZNT AirFits, right? These actually are true wireless earbuds that I love. Still have them even after the first review. Shoot, I think the first review was probably a year ago. These things are awesome, man. They stay in my ears, super lightweight. Battery life is about 4 hours. I've actually watched an entire movie and some change listening to these on the road. With that being said, they sound great for watching movies. There's no latency on the relay between the video and what you're hearing, and they sound fantastic. But they've lasted all this time. The only thing I would improve on is the sweat proofness and the case. ZNT listened to my cry and they came out with the ZNT AirFits 1, or Mark 1, I guess you would say. Truth moment, I've already listened to these, man. I haven't replaced these with these, but now I got two great sets of headphones, or earbuds rather. So look, they changed the case. So now instead of this gray and black case, that's more of like a space gray, that Apple space gray and black case. We've got a black on black. We've got matte black here, got this gloss black here. But look at the difference in the case. It's actually the same size. It's really the same overall dimensions, exact same overall dimensions. However, this one is rounded. Therefore, it's more portable. It just fits in your pocket a little bit better. It doesn't have those sharp edges or anything like that. And it just seems slimmer. It's amazing what some curves will do to something. I mean, this one just seems bigger, although they're the exact same dimensions. So improvements. Well, let's open up and see. So let's just take this out. Take this one out. All right, so we still got, oh, okay, so they did change. They changed the ear tips. So we've got these more squared off ear tips here. And these, I didn't even notice that, to be honest with you, because they fit in the ear nice and, really nice. I didn't even notice that there was a difference, so they're still very comfortable. I might switch these out. I'm not sure if I can, but I might just try that. But now they've got these wings on here, okay? So now these wings actually sit in your ear and keep it in one spot, keep it in place. They've actually added some more sweat proofness, I'm gonna go ahead and say. I don't know what the IPX rating is. I just call it sweat proofness. But the sound is still fantastic, man. Super, I mean, lots of bass. But the cool thing about the bass that comes out of these is that it's balanced. I mean, you don't get that muddy bass that you get from, you know, other headphones that focus on bass, because that's not what everybody worries about. I like a lot of bass, but I also like balanced sound. You can achieve both without muddying up the treble, and that's what they do here. So these wings actually help. Let me just set that right there. These wings, now, okay, by the way, you only get in the box, you get more ear tips, I believe. Yeah, you get more ear tips. Oh, you do get extra wings. So you get two sizes of wings. This is actually the large. No, it's left. L is for left, not large. Okay, so you get two sets of wings, but it's more like a little coat. It actually fits on the inside of your earbud and just kind of coats it. Even though the earbud is already sealed, it actually adds for another layer of protection over sweat. So you just pop that on there, whether you want the longer style of wing or the shorter one. This is only slightly shorter. It's not much at all. It's actually, it looks about the same actually. So you get a spare just in case it rips or it comes off or something. But you do get, where they at? Yeah, there you go. But you do get extra ear tips. So you got extra small, medium, and what they perceive to be as a large. I might just have to change these out because these aren't very big, but they do seal up the sound in my ear pretty good. Let me put that in there. Yeah, they do seal up pretty good. So let me put that one in there. I've been listening to these for a little bit, but these have just been outside of the box and I've just been needing to review these, so I put them back. So let me go ahead and fire these bad boys up. Yes, when you take them out of the box, they will turn on, and when you put them in the case, they'll turn off. I do like that as well. Now, the difference between the two as far as the case on the inside, you'll see that you've got 4 pins for, let me see. You got 4 pins on the old one per earbud, but on this one, you only got 2 pins for the earbud to charge. So I don't know what difference that makes, but let me see. Let me get them turned on. Battery life is still about 4 hours, which is actually really good for true wireless earbuds. Yeah, they're connected. I mean, it's only a small little battery, but you can charge this thing up, I think, another 4 or 5 times with this. So, all right, we're connected. Let's get some. Yes. just like I remember. Sound quality is excellent, just as good as the first version. But I also had to start testing these earbuds out before I actually give a full-on review, because I tested some earbuds out a while ago. They never made it on the channel because they just would not work. They work fine if you're sitting in a room. Now, these work great. So what I'm getting at is, if you put these in your ear, put your phone in your pocket and take off walking or doing some running or something, they're still gonna stay connected. They're not gonna chop in and out. That was my experience with these. Other headphones that did not make it on the channel, they actually did that. So I had to start testing these things out before, because I don't want y'all to buy nothing and then it just doesn't work when it's in the real world functioning. So these actually work in the real world. I've tested these and I've tested these, and yes, you can wear them and they are sweat proof because it was hot outside. But the sound quality is fantastic, man. 4 hours of battery life, I dig them. ZNT AirFits, and now you have it. Look, I ain't claiming to be no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. Now I got 2 sets of fly earbuds. I keep one in the car and one on my person at all times. Don't get caught without your sound, brother. I gotta get out of here, but I'll see y'all at the next one.